The other alternative for creating a dart is to add a dart with fullness. So I'm going to select my point here as I did before with a left click. I'm going to right click on that to bring up my menu, and I'm going to add dart with fullness. This will bring up a line now, which says click a segment to draw a slash line. This is your rotational line. I'm going to select my neckline here. And I'm going to select which side to add a dart. If I want to add it here, it's going to shift my pattern piece upwards, which maintains my center front, which is why I'm selecting this point. Or you can select the bottom part, which will rotate your piece off grain. Either way is fine. When you set the dart width, you can do it by eye, which I'm doing. I'm kind of just modulating the width of my dart, or you can right click, of course, to bring up a precision box. And I'm going to add that dart at a width of 1 inch. The length is quite long right now, and you can back that off, or you can do it after the fact. And I'm going to set it at 7 inches. Even that I think is a bit aggressive, I'm going to go 4. Okay, I can always shift the point of my intake later on. I'm going to uncheck Shape Dart Cap, and I'm going to hit OK. So you can see what it's done is it's added some fullness by shifting my neckline. And at this point, the pieces that are making up my side seam would be the same as the original length of my side seam. If I dislike the angle of my dart, I can then edit the pattern, highlight that point, and move it where I would like it to go. The problem with this, first off, is I've got 2 very different length arm legs. I can adjust that, making sure I keep my side length the same. The other slight issue is that this system does not recognize this as a dart anymore. So when you click on it, I guess it does. In this case, it does. You can edit the dart and hit OK, and it'll maintain those pieces that you have there. So you always need to have a dart to which you will rotate and to open up that dart space. And then you can always readjust the point to point in the correct direction, usually at the bust point when you're talking about a bust or a bodice dart.